In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print handouts with lines for notes in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you're getting ready to share slides in a class, a workshop, or a meeting, this is a quick way to give your audience room to jot down thoughts right next to each slide. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation so you can see the slides you want to print. It's a good idea to scan through them first and make sure any last-minute edits are done, since whatever you see here is exactly what will appear on the handouts. High contrast colors and larger fonts tend to print more clearly, so consider that if you expect people to take notes by hand. Next, go to the File menu and choose Print. This opens PowerPoint's print window, where you'll set up the handout layout. On the right, you'll see a preview of what will print. Keep an eye on that preview as you change settings so you can confirm you're getting the layout you want before you use any paper. Under Settings, click the drop-down that likely says Full Page Slides. That option prints one slide per sheet, which doesn't leave room for notes. Instead, look for the Handouts section in the list and choose how many slides you want per page. You'll see options like 2, 3, 4, 6, and more. For lined note-taking, make sure you select the option labeled Notes next to Slides. In most versions of PowerPoint, that corresponds to the 3 slides per page layout, which automatically places ruled lines to the right of each slide. If you pick 2, 4, or 6 slides per page, you'll get multiple thumbnails but no lines, so the 3 slides layout is the one designed specifically for note-taking. Glance at the preview again. You should see 3 slide thumbnails down the page, each with a column of lines beside it. If the content looks too small, consider simplifying busy slides or increasing the font size in your presentation. You can also adjust orientation between portrait and landscape if needed, but the default usually works well for this layout. When everything looks right, click Print. That's it. PowerPoint will generate handouts with lines, so people can write next to each slide as you present. If you'd like a digital version to share, you can choose a PDF option in your printer list and then print to a file using the same settings. With these simple settings, you'll have clean, readable handouts that invite better engagement and clearer notes during your presentation.